Good day, Pinoy Heroclixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we are once again not unboxing an ixalan pre-release pack. Again, not unboxing an ixalan pre-release pack. Let's go! Okay, so as I said, we're going to look at not rivals of ixalan. This is just a placeholder compartment, but what's inside is a bunch of X-Men related cards. Just like in one of our previous mail unbox videos, we were able to purchase some classic Marvel cards for around 20 pesos each. That's $0.25, I guess. So during the Collecticon 2022, and now we have time to take a look at our hauls. It's a bit of a thick haul once again, and you can see there are some cards here that's a bit more pricey than the others. Okay, so all are 20 pesos each except for the ones in plastics. So we're gonna go through them and we're gonna select 3 cards that we like the most from this bunch of cards. So we have here Colossus, which is the 1990 series of Colossus, so near mint. We don't have a lot of this, so always a good thing. We have, let's put Colossus on the side. Okay, then we have Dagger. Okay, set number 14. Okay, what I like about this series is the Did you know? Did you know that Dagger is the only person capable of traveling in her partner Cloak's dimension of darkness without suffering any ill effects? Other than Cloak, of course. So that's why it's called Cloak and Dagger. And then the next batch would be Marvel Now series. So we have Gladiator, Emperor Gladiator by the looks of it. Okay. Legion, Blindfold, Beast, Manifold, Angel, nice hair, flowy hair, and Puck, and Smasher. Okay, and then the next set of cards are Blood Ties. So I think these cards connect, but wasn't able to get all of them. So we only got those with X-Men related characters. Like we have here Quicksilver, Fabian Cortez, okay, versus, okay, let's see, the mutant speedster who is the son of Magneto and the self-proclaimed mutant dictator of Genosha. Okay, we have Black Knight versus Exodus. We have Rogue and Iceman team up. So those are the 3 blood ties, and then we follow it with a bunch of Flair Ultra X-Men. So shiny cards. I'm a sucker for shiny cards. Okay, so we have your Boomer, Holocaust, Hurricane, Blood Scream, which is Wolverine. So the villain of Wolverine. Kane, Black Tom Cassidy looking spiky, Skin, Penance, Orphan Maker. Okay, that's what he looks like underneath the mask. Toglock, okay, and Mondo. So this is a different series now, the Marvel Metal series. Still shiny card. We only have one, Mondo. Okay, and the next one would be the Marvel, what's What's this? Not so familiar with this. Marvel. What set is this? I don't know. But it's 2012. Okay, so we have Beast. We have Angel. We have Black Knight. Okay, I like this pose. Cable. Colossus once again. Magic, of course. And Warlock. Nightcrawler. Deathlock. And Kazar. Ooh, interesting. And then we follow it with Upper Decks Marvel Annual 2017. Sorry for that. Madeline Pryor. Take a look at the back. The power attributes. Not so high. Then now we follow it with Women of Marvel. So we have Karma, Polaris, Lady Mastermind. We only have 3. And then followed by Marvel Battles Masterpieces. So this is a bit embossed. Magneto Strikes. Namor takes his bride. To rule the Morlocks. And the Blob. This is from the Bring on the Bad Guys Marvel Masterpieces. Spiral. And then it's followed next, and then the rest of it is all about, what set is this? Marvel, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so good thing about this is you can see you can connect the cards, 9-piece connect the cards for a bigger portrait, but we're not worried about that. We're only worried about the front facing characters. You have your Polaris, Smasher, Pixie, Jubilee, of course. Let's put her on the side. I like her pose here with Shogo. Abigail Brand. Ooh. Magic. That's a nice magic. Mystique. Lady Deathstrike. Celine. Ooh. Sultry. Celine. Madeline Pryor. Morgan Le Fay. Spiral. Arclight. And these ones are the protected cards, and you can see they have a separate price. So this is 200 pesos, like $4 with a 50, roughly $4 with 50 peso $1 conversion. This is $2, it's $2 and $2. So the Dark Phoenix, of course. Okay. Rogue, X-23, and Emma Frost. Okay, so let's take a look. Top 3 for me would definitely be Colossus. Let's put Dark Phoenix because she is the priciest card we have. And choosing between the two, I would have to go with Jubilee and Shogo. Okay, so let's do our magic trick and snap the figures into place. Okay, so we have here the 3 figures of the cards. We have here Colossus, okay, the topless Colossus from the X-Men X of Swords set. And let's take a look. Real name Peter Rasputin, X-Men 7'5". Okay, so he is a tall dude, 500 pounds, 423 battles fought, with 239 wins, 104 losses, and 80 ties, 57% win percentage. Our enemies are Juggernaut, Magneto, and Hellfire Club. Okay, you don't want to go against Magneto if you are metal based. And born and raised on a collective farm in the Soviet Union, Colossus discovered that he had the mutant ability to transform his body into invincible organic steel. In his armored form, Colossus possessed enormous strength. He can lift 70 tons and near limitless stamina. His gentle, soft-spoken manner is a sharp contrast to the tremendous physical power at his command. Did you know that when he's not fighting supervillains, Colossus uses his free time to pursue his favorite pastime, painting? Okay. Yeah, I think there was a scene in the X of House of X wherein Colossus was a farmer and also a painter. So the next one is Jubilee and Shogo. I love how this card greatly captured the figure. Okay, so such a cute Shogo on the shoulder backpack of Jubilee. Okay, you can see that there, even with the pacifier. Oh, it's a bigger version here. Okay, so Jubilee from the House of X. We know what she can do. She can transform into a dragon in Otherworld. And finally, we have your Dark Phoenix, the mistresses of mayhem, Dark Phoenix. Yeah, and this is of course her in all her glory as a colossal from the X-Men the animated series set. I am Phoenix. Okay, so that's it for our video. Thank you very much for reaching this part of the video. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next unboxing, and hopefully it's not going to be another ixalan. Bye bye.